utswembu name isoccer boot guy. We used to have Dr. Kumali 16V. Also, we played what we call it Otsi Poisa. Yeah. Boom, at some point I went to the Crown Gospel Awards. Hey man, I hosted and anchored the Crown Gospel Awards for 5 years. Gospel time to start with, I was a field presenter. The corner is segment in your area.
Sure.
Yeah, this is where you would visit an artist, whether they were happening in that season. I remember visiting Usoli Matlamu. There's the scripture in the Bible that says God is seated on the throne, looking down and laughing at our enemies.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for TsepoDitsebe.com. Twala! Mr. .com.
Say,
Remember.
Shafukunje.
Man.
Thank you for having me, man.
Welcome to Quantum Podcast.
What an honor. Award winning. Say it right. Award winning. Come on now.
Levels.
So slili pambi.
Levels.
All right.
Pandapo na sponsor kunje. Change.
Yeah. Balima.
Change.
Oh.
Easy ngama seat.
Amambo we.
Ekule question esingakudala singayibuza abantu yabo.
Yeah.
Kanti namhlanje ngoba sivezile wena sibili ugcine nini kuba phakathi kwequantum?
Yo. Quantum into every day.
Okay.
Quantum simaphambi kwayo. Quantum ayivuliwe ngithi ngicela ukungena malume.
Sure.
Yeah, you know?
Phila ngayo.
But I think the makers of Quantum, they've done a great job. Yeah, the comfort there, it's something else. You know? And also, we feel ukuthi no ngama-taxi. That is why sometimes we have a problem ngama-queue marshals. Yeah, babona ukuthi asiyabona wena uyifuna isihaya wena. Ngikinga because iquantum inalento egrand.
Yeah.
And
I understand the revelation because obviously iyachaza uyakutshela ukuthi sizofika na kanjani la.
Yeah.
Phambi. Yiyo kahle belithembe.
Yeah. But iquantum ay super phambi.
Hayi quantum ay number 1.
Hamba yona.
Phuma phambili.
Yes sir.
Umnandi uthemba.
All is well, man.
Unyaka sakhetha uqala nje ungene njani ku-2026?
Singene grand. I think the excitement to want to see what the year has for us. But I think the notion is that people always have expectation of the year.
Okay.
They don't know what the year has expectations of them.
Yo.
That is why unyaka mawuphela uthola ukuthi amunye ngoJune uthi asengiright mina. Mina lo nyaka ungihleli la. Akeze u2027 it's because ungene la une expectation. It means uyela phayana uyi-spectator not a partaker. And it's a problem. Yakubeka ukuthi 2026 makangena wena uthi 2026 this is what I have for you. This is what I want to achieve. This is what I want to push and all that. And this is what I'm giving. So i-partnership mayingabi grand between unyaka nomuntu. Unyaka would still stand. Umuntu uzosala.
Yo, that's deep, Baba.
That is why abantu abaningi mayiqala ithi yabona i-first quarter. Zithi boma second quarter. Already somebody saying mina no nyolungisa izinto ngo-2027.
Yo. Early swap. Yeah.
Already somebody has given up. And remember, psychology iti abanye bethu because there was a lot of things ebesifuna ukuzi-achieve last year. Why zathi December. I-fatigue iwela ku-2026. Iqala seyiqalathi iyaphika ngabo-June and all that. That is why somebody feels tired. And they are not able to define ukuthi kahle ngikhathazwe yini. Yeah. Kanti le fatigue ya last year, there's things ezingayenzeka. Nalezi za this year. So it's what we call a backlog. That is why umuntu ziyapakelana. Zithi masiqala zithi boma mid-June umuntu seka-right no unyaka vele uhambile. Then people bayaqala ke manje ba-procrastinate. Bayaqala ba-postpone izinto tamani. Befuna ukwenza i-event eso. Athi siyiplanele manje siyibona next year. Already useka set up yena for failure. Unyaka still standing.
Seka failure for next year
nakhona. Because manje there's a lot of things. So une backlog ka-25. Ku-2026 so give up in. Ku-2027 yofika unjani. So I think for me that has been my attitude in answering your question ukuthi unyaka so far ungiphethe kanjani. I came with that attitude, with that demeanor, with that aura to say lalela, I've got things that I can give. Ufana nomntwana uthi makavela emhlabeni isandla sakhe senze kanje, usho ukuthi khona into engiyifumbathisile. So wena manje masunje and yet you are still 20, you're still 21, then it's a problem.
Uphethene esandleni.
So the year has been good so far, and we are anticipating great things. I have a feeling, Sizana, ukuthi 2026 is that year of all. Isifuna zonke.
Abantwana abahle namateka amasha.
Zonke. Ama V8 namadlala zonke.
Sifuna zonke.
Do it all.
Sure.
You will get it all.
All right.
Yeah. Amanye amagama, if there's anything that you said you want to push it. You cannot suspend life. You cannot postpone life. Life must be done. So mangabe khona into ofuna ukuyipusha ipusha. If it's 7 businesses, you push. Ama naysayers bazoloke bakhona, khona abahlele ebenchini, khona abahlele ku grandstand. Push it. For me 2026 is that year.
Yo abantu bayamangala ukuthi lo wafika nje seka drop amabhomu kanje. Ubani kahle kahle. So grandstand ubani uSepothwala?
Sepothwala is an uncle. Sepothwala is a son. Sepothwala is a friend. Sepothwala is a brother. Sepothwala is a son of the soil, a Kasi boy, a Christian, a believer, a father, a mentor, a mentee, a creative, a man of many colors. That's Sepothwala, originally born and bred for Sloras. Yeah, in 2855. Engineer was 5. Engineer was 5.
Okay.
That's where I'm born, and by God's grace, my parents are still alive. Hello, Mama, Mimi, no Papa, Ufala Ditwala, they're still alive, and I've got 3 siblings. I'm the only son, so Ngisars.
Sure.
Yeah. So that's who I am, and I'm excited. I'm a man who's big on life. I love life. I love encouraging people. I love supporting people. I'm a man of value. I'm a man of stature. I'm a leader.
Okay, uthe uzalelwe eForest.
Yeah.
So uzalelwe eForest, but ke thina siyathanda ukukhuluma nabantu yabo.
Yeah, sure.
Siyathanda ukukhuluma nabantu, so sicela nje ubuyele emuva.
Yeah.
Usitshele ukuthi kahle kahle bekuyenzakalani eForest wena mokhula?
First of all, there were a lot of things to start with. I think all of us, it's amazing ukhulela eKasi because Goma sporting codes, Ebola becomes number 1.
Okay.
It's the easiest thing. Why? Because Ebola singalenza ngithi. Tata ma plastics, tata inu yalihlanganisa, tata solo tapes disc. You just want anything around and then you go with it.
Hey.
So it
just reveal something important lesingayinani.
Yeah.
Ukuthi why disc silithanda kanje.
Yeah.
Silithanda because of noma singa afford ukulibhaya siyakwazi ukusenzela.
Sakwazi ukuzenzela idisc.
Okay.
And that's the creative element ekhona eKasi ukuthi at some point besithatha iscoop se oil besibiza liquor ngaleso sikhathi just a 25 liter siyidouble phakathi and then sifaka iblank elite and then sithola amalona senze guitar strings. Those were creative things that were happening during our time.
Sure.
It was during that time. I'm not going to mention this beer brand because Quantum fanele bayibhadale for that. But they profile ama squad sabafana bafana. They would know ukuthi usiyabonga, which is a queen.
Sure.
Nana ukuthi ufele and everything. So I was fascinated ke uthola ukuthi siyahamba thina so bamba imbiba.
Yeah.
Yeah, so bamba nenyoni.
Yeah.
Senze route. Besibamba imbiba ngaleso sikhathi. I think for me experimenta eKasi was the order of the day. We had those who are older than us who went before us. They were the ones that will pull us with. But all the time, whatever that we would do, we'll do it as a collective. eKasi masikhula besithi umkhwambathi.
Okay.
Samba nje sibhaye yabona ya ulo bani ubiza uThabela, bani ubiza uSandile, yabona bani ubiza uZamo, bani ubiza uKholene, yabona bani ubiza uLinda. And all that. So fanele sivaye sipacked. Sivaye nje sibhaya. Sporting code number 1 bekuyidisk. And next door yasedladleni. Yeah, kaButkhulu. Bekune team abayibiza ukuthi Roman Kayleys.
Okay.
It had a white strip and then inama stars up blue. I was fascinated by that. Ukuthi fanele ngiye babona mabakhinda. bafaka machine guns nama-cox and ngaleso sikhathi i-branding yase-South Africa yonke, I think the entire world bengakangeni kakhulu kwi-branding, but any person, if any star uNzwembu beba name isoccer boot ngayo. We used to have Dr. Khumalo 16V. Ijomo Sonoki. Adidas.
Okay.
Yeah, then you had Maradona.
Sure.
Yeah, because from Argentina and all that. So I used to be fascinated. Going up next door, you want to buy a kind. Buy a go. I don't want to fuck if it's down cold keep fuck malo. Experiment again. Ukwazi ukuthi waye kuso machine guns now. Cela kwahamba. Oh, aqinile. All right. You know, those were the things that would happen, and then ngiye kubo bayavaya manje sebayodlala. I have their backs. Malume sawina namhlanje. Hayi washaka stop nje masiloke sapo. Yona nginabo laphayana. Bayafika lapho nini so sema grounding. Yeah, the match is about to begin and all that. You ask them, malume ufuna ini? Guys scoop. Fana ugijima uyathenga amanzi. Mangenze ukuthi khona abanye abamkapayo lapho uyangena uzenza udoctor. Sebe right malume basile malume. Because you are just fascinated, just being around them. So soccer was one of the things that was happening. Not only that, idiski ke besidlala thina besiyenza sibiza ukuthi target one ball. Yeah. When you hit that and then maliwa, no, that's how you accumulate more points.
Sure.
And then bekhona ke itubali, obviously amabali as you can see today and all that. But besithi mawubala fana ubale ngenyawo zakho ngoma footsteps ubale 13. So yazi bekhona lezi vele zabo mashaya njalo inokuyenza nje 15. Uyamangala manje team wayidliwa 17. Ibhala ngapha lingana lela. Yeah, so I used to play all different positions and everything, but I was very good at hitting a target. No, I would score from afar and everything. And then immediately.
So what's the way to pass?
I'm so good there. Asking in the field. So Idiski was one of them. 2, we had what we call Ichigago. You know, you realize manje mase school no man Ichigago, it's a name of a state in America. Yebo. And ukuthi lezinto
besigcoka la equipe nalamajezi abhali Chicago.
Chicago mara singaziniki yabona. Ukuthi sineme kanjani, but I think that was the thinking ukuthi uma sikhula sinalento yokuthi siya overseas. We are going over the seas. Uyabona lento le. So we adopted anything and everything. I mean, we hip hop, I used to wait take abalibiza ukuthi gypsy.
Bilinjani ke lo?
Beli red lifikanyana, it's an ankle boot.
Okay.
And then ukhona ukuthi ulivale
Sure.
Li blue, li red and white.
Yeah.
Abohamba ke. Yeah, so isisidwadlo sangaleso sikhathi we played ama games. Ichigago was one of them. So you would then accumulate ama team. And then ama team, there's another team, there's this team. I-team efilayo ninafana nenze sure ukuthi niyabaleka until you get to the other side. Other side, someone must take a tennis ball and hit lama team. Sibiza Chicago. So mawuloku baleka laphayana mabaloku babhizi ngamanye sibiza ngokuthi some game. It means they hit you so hard. Yeah. Then omunye ufika athi nyawo athi Chicago. Uyabaleka uyangala. Hey man, before you know it, it's 8 o'clock. Bekungana Facebook lapho, bekungana X, bekungana Nix. Those were the things that kept us going. So we understood a collectivism. We understood ukudlala sonke. We understood ukuthi man. Untwana nje man asikwazi ukuye grounding singalanda ngosiya. Siya. That's 5 and ubona mama. Baba njani? Safi. Cela ukubona siyabonga. Akayilapha. Wona siyodliwa ka. They wonder yezeni le kubidlisa team. So but the spirit of collectivism, it has always been there. Also we played what we call Tsotsi Poisa. Yeah, abanye fane babesejele and then ke fane ubaleke. Once wadlula le Poisa uthinta laba bame laphayana ngaku danger. It means sober free. We did not understand ukuthi man these games are planting something in our minds. Yebo namhlanje masukhula ubona certain things kwi-crime with no man, this thing has always been planted, but no one did not correct this thing because ngaleso sikhathi besibukela ama khona show yamaphoyisa, I think NYPD Blue, but bese baqala bayitranslate ngeSuthu.
Okay.
Yathana balade oba kwalle Kidi Nukwai. I loved that. Obviously, we have all the lips, there were no subtitling. But when I could manage to raise his license, will be boring. Baba, he's always a kelege guy. You're not a suit, I didn't not. Me, Yatan. Yeah, get on. What's with the titty fat? What's what? Mama cheese. Yeah. So, those were TV shows that were happening that time. So, we're playing that game, CBZ Tsotsi Poisa. And time and again, you need to get the fastest guy. So that was Gutabalega Bukhata, Makabalega Bukhata, and then a tinte, Labamagaba Tinta Bong. If by 7, Bonge Bapumi, can you imagine being a savior of 7 prisoners? Yay! You used to do that, but we didn't know Guti at the back of our mind, even this is it. They have some psychological effect to us. We are cooler. You want to be that. And Abanyige, by God's grace, they chose that. With no Tintati Pathikrend. And I want to be the police guy. So that laba bazofuna ukuthi bazolanda lezi ejele bangayenzi that thing.
Okay.
Part of those games izinto bezenzeka lezi force. And then there were riots, ANC and IFP. Oh man, it was not good. Yeah, it was not good. But here's a nice story about me. There was a time whereby maqedwa ukulwa the ANC and the IFP, then the Afrikaner regime or the state bebafuna ukuthi beze kasi bazosicindezela. And as a result, they knew that there were guys abayibahamba and went to exile and whatnot. So they were looking for anything just to make sure they suppress us. So as a result, the party then that was ruling wanted to get abantwana abancane babafana so that they recruit. Ubona nguMagriza wangifaka iroko. Nebangena house chores bakoko. UMagriza wathi hayi mina nginamantombazana kuphela. Nemathi hayi intombazana, hayi yilo ngigani. Shane roke ngimuhle kanjani wena. Roko liveti nami nyakhanya. Hayi bona. You know, just to make sure. Other than that, one would not be sitting here because some of the guys who were recruited then, Baba Pakhaza, Balimala, they got were disabled, and some of them were depression so hard then because there were no facilities and resources to make sure with Baba Grand and whatnot. So that was the hardness of it. You know? Yeah, besikona nokuzenzela ipetrol bomb. Bengishaya ipetrol bomb. Ihlanganisa man, thathi iniphi yazi iniphi. Thatha lapho ngifaka umhlabathi ngifaka inifana nelona and uyayiphonsa lapho then because you are seeing from the older guys and these are the guys that were fighting for the struggle. You know, at the end of the day, though we don't understand what is happening, but they are fighting for us.
Sure.
So you learn the trick of the trade. Khona lapho ukwazi ukwenza ipetrol bomb, ukwazi imoto yama truck.
Truck, yeah.
Bengwaqeda ke amahengere edladini. Ugogo phumile yimlo 2 hengere yaphathula 3 hengere yaphathula uyaphuma and it was innocent. Wanted ukuthi siyodlala lapha and then sithathe insu isniff. All right. Isnuff. Njengoba siku quantum nje kukhona the takes.
Yeah.
Yeah, those who would make them go amavili wakho.
Sure.
Yeah, avaya ke amavili ke yavaya direct. It's amazing ukuthi iBhayibheli malikhuluma about the Isaka generation to be able to understand the times and the season. Akekho bekabuza umunye we would know what season it is ngedopi. Ukuthi season yedopi.
Yeah.
Everybody buy dopi.
Sure.
Nini umunye uza nomchabi. Yeah, umunye ke shy speaks and all that. And once you tinti idopi yami ngistream, you know, we knew izothi my face akekho tshela umunye we would know ngokubona nje ikite fly ukuthi oh season yekite. Yeah, oh season yekite. Oh okay, nini uyayibona ukuthi no season yokuthenga All Star. Echathile.
Yeah.
Uzobona nje hayi awumakahanja lapho ke then uzobona ke namatsharara wakhona ke yabo 1 star ukayo star nani hayi iqhumdulo. Next week itekla khona sekudlalwa ngalidisk selufuna angithi iqhumdulo
seliphathile
abublinki nabusuku. So those were fascinating things and now ukhulile and you sit and say but who was telling us these things?
Season yama
Yeah man. Hey man. Bekhona iali lekhrote ngaka emhlophe besibiza uMalibisi.
Yeah, Malibisi.
Ay. In fact lenkulu iba ugoalkeeper uMalibisi uyakona. You would make money ngaleso sikhathi uphethe inyongo lokuthi yabo zabe khona lezi ke before adlala le alifana ikhulumela. Angizoniqeda nonke boy. And his speech asikho straight like I'm talking. Khona nje uyayitreata njani? Ngizoniqeda nonke boy noma ngabe niyafika. Landa bonke abangani bakho ngizoniqeda nonke. It has always been like that, good man. Ikasi became a hub of creative thinking, creative doings, and it's a pity ukuthi we can't celebrate Ikasi for what it is because of the ills as corner. It's crime, it's jealousy, it's this and this because we're indoctrinated because of the apartheid, because it was a demonic system that pitted us against each other. I see an enemy instead of seeing my brother. That is why there's a struggle even now. I can't see you rise and not do something. If I'm telling cheese, I must do something. It's sad, but if you were to take it back and then Sapushan, I think Ikasi would be the most sought place. Ikasi would have been every suburb that you think of, Begzuba Ikasi, you know. So those were the things that you would look, because we started seeing Ichagon, Ilingo, Yashincha, somebody speaks like this, all these things, language, season is able to be interpreted, there's jokes in between. Hey man, Ikasi had everything for us. You know, exenis busana ngeflate. Yeah, thina besithi uyazi ukuthi awusiyi umela ngaphandle. Ngithi mama ngiyabuya ngicela ukuya clean i-toilet. Gone. Uzubuya ntaba.
Nomjita makazocheck.
Yeah, nomjita makazocheck.
Yeah, khona nje Grootman they checka next door nasendlini. Bese sicava iflate yakhe.
Yeah.
Sometimes sinokubhayizisa lesi stera next door. Sifike shaya iflate.
Nva.
Yeah, simbona makaphuma la siya block khona siyala.
Yeah.
Siyakoma sozi.
Yeah, account bazomcheck.
Yeah,
asibambile le flame. Yeah. Omunye wenza kanjalo kwaphuma inja zangabaleke kahle. But you see also we are talking another element here reminds that it means ama couples wakudala they were able to communicate. Asina phone songs okubona kanjani. No ngawari. Ngisho umluzi.
Sure.
Na uyakena ukuthi okay manje ithi.
Bathi abanye babeka ibox le omu.
Yeah.
Ipastereni.
Bari umu. Bangana box utayo. Yeah, bari umu. Look at the creative.
Sure.
Yeah, look at the skills. Who was thinking these things? It can only be Ikasi, but if Ikasi was well celebrated, well packaged, I think all the ends of the earth would want to descend and say, Ikasi, and say, guys, how do you do it? Who decides these things and everything? And the way bekwenzeka ngakhona, you know, hence ingoma kamababutsi ethi akusafana nakudala umuntu angena house acela heavy. Yabona? Yeah, but izinhliziyo zibuhlungu mangishaya amatshe kuvutha umlilo. You know, it's all those things, but we knew even in Christmas bozosuka from this uye next door uyocela heavy. But now happy tata, happy Christmas, happy. Yeah, manje kuyasifanela, it's a Christmas and all that. The culture to celebrate the days and all that, it's fading.
Peni yona.
5 November. Yay! Besi mama ngipe. Nani kudani ngaphansi kopete. Guy folks uMagreth ulilamile. Sindizwa kakhulu. Lathi lento inamadimoni mama. Eskela iwe ngiphusha. Ngifike ekhaya. God bless our food before we eat. Amen. uMagreth akavuma phela ngiyenzela. So ngeke ngithole platform ngala. One needed to go through all those things, those seasons. We have come full circle when it comes to Ikasi. So ipeni besingena la, hey man umangela umntwana manje, hey man, hey. And then manje kwayi shayile kwayi alingani naye lapha ufaka amalonda la emuva. Hey kupendiwe and all that. Umkhaba ngapha. Yeah, and then khona leyo mambo wena iphethe nje inyungu. Ya collector yona inyungu, you know. Those were the trends that were happening in Ikasi. So if Oslo being also that Kasi, we used to compete against in a primary school. So basically so besine skipper esimhlophe esibranded 3M. Some guy nje omeka nje uPopeye went above, you know. Then you would know to laba basendleleni la. Yeah, so I think between Jan and Feb, igela maziceda ukuvulwa. Yakitchen. So we would do that. Wake up in the morning. And I was active when it comes to it. I loved sports. I love sports with Nyakitchen because you needed, if I'm able to hit the target, if I'm able to think Shama through pass, I needed also to take even more. Hence I was playing 6.
Sure.
Yeah.
Over.
But I was able to switch because I'm a right back and then ngadlala 7. Nini bakufaka ngapha ku8. Nini bakubeka ku10. And then people say, no, you need to be left footed and all that, but we're able to cut through, which is what you are seeing in modern football.
Sure, yeah.
So those were the things, yeah. And then we would watch soccer. So the ability to interpret what you see on TV and put it to everyday life, it was just another genius spirit that business would see happy. But those are the fibers and those are the things that you that can make you celebrate Ikasi. So Foslo became part of that. Then business was there. Like I think every casino was there. But Ebes Buyage. Yeah, was there.
I'm sure it was
uzwa bathi bazenzela ibhamu bathi isibhamu sakhona igriva masihamba bathi siyapontshwa alesa zange sibone ngizwe basisho isibhamu bani lesi but you know Ekasi there's always that one guy who has an information we don't know athi ntwana bathi lesibhamu now uthiwo bathantwana lesibhamu basibisi RBG7 bathi ntwana mawuloko hamba kanje shuthi mawubomba sithi shuthi losemva kwakho ntwana uyafa you RBG7 so ngibeka igriva bathi mawusipakamisa shuthi uvela uwenza kanje uloku uyasipompa mawuloko usipompa wasibeka phansi siyasho yeah so it's stories that were happening that were narrated to us ngaleso sikhathi so hostels, the factions between the Zulus and everything, apartheid is covered. Yeah, it made us not to see the goodness in each other. Yeah.
That's why even as a Makasi, when they cast Lama Zulu, cast Lama Closa, yeah. Funny, I say David Chon,
Ebasutui.
Yeah, division.
Ignite division already. Bankaya and Maufiga La Payana immediately Mount Restaurant in this teaser, we are switch. Jumelang, Lekai, and everything. Instead of us embracing all these languages, because it's still like that. Mazului, yeah, Ebasutui, Emakose, all these things. And Manje, you are classifying each other, Manje. Tribalism and whatnot until such time I say fuse lento le time manangeke sabantu man yeah ilim lakho but we are all people but in demnandi ukuthi then we're able to learn to learn all languages it helped us a great deal to understand ukuthi no ngikabuwa Sotho ngakhuluma isiZulu because even nasisikela from enhle bakhonile ukuthi basplit because there's a new school esicalayo bathi Bangkhotso. So as a result, they say, sanibona abantwana bami, yes, principal. And you as a principal makabulisa fane sicule and I still don't understand why we were singing, but we were singing. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate. How are you, class? We are fine. And how are you, teacher? Fine. And how are you, classmate? Thank you, class. You can sit. Thank you, teacher. Thank you, classmate. So cool, you know, man. But
I understand. Because of now, that's why most of these songs these days, even now, since I'm in my life science classes.
Yes.
So we change maybe ngoma zama piano. Say the lyrics or what the content is fundisanga.
Sure.
So by so doing that, you ends with time because we memorize and I call.
Yeah, but they cool.
Yeah.
Sikule maline we used to call it assembly. So we would gather and assemble and then we would do the same thing. Bachi sideways. Bachi hips fam. I couldn't see my hips. Ingwenye bambile akuyalapha manje but forward forward but sideways was but hips fam connect We used to call it the assembly, and that is why God was in the schools. That is why the Spirit of the Lord would move, because bekukhona nelona bayibiza ukuthi religious education. Mase uya further standard 6, they used to call it the BIPS, meaning biblical studies. Yeah, so those things have faded out because constitution yethu is just willy-nilly. It allows anything and all that, and that is why the demons can run the way they want. And these things preserved us because when a scripture is sofundwa lapha and sonke siyathandaza ubaba wethu wasezulwini kwala kuthiwa kini bayaya abayi
benimthandaza kanjani
baba wethu sizwe mandingcwelisa igama bathi English our Father who art in heaven. Then there was a girl angazi ukuthi ulele tikhumalo ruba that girl would sing our Father ayisawuhlala nempintsho ayaqola bathi hey Thapho angathi mina ngifacilitated
sure
mina ngi-excited kamnandi ngikhohle ukuthi siyathandaza wenzakani ufuna ubone ukuthi ubani locula kamnandi and all that. So we used to sing our Father who art in heaven. Lo beyibhlungu nje ngeAfrikaans you bathi yekeleni was mefrokhumalo, and then uyathandaza, and those things kept us. Uthisha bekawuthisha so much so that even uma umbona nge-weekend it's an achievement. Monday uyotshela abantu ubona uthisha ulisa thisha angithi wena umbonile hamba nomama mtshelile wena umbona ngithisha wena uhambe wena kini ngihlala endlini. We start mocking each other. But it was fascinating, and the respect bekhona.
But ukhohle summertime
1 September.
Sure.
Manje thina besicala esigela sikabe sabasejayivini sathela uthisha in fact use sabeka ibhakede la op ayiwangena umeni abona wabamanzi umeni azange sishaye kanje. That time bekhona into ababiza ukuthi bench where you just lie and then amachita kubambe nangapha I think they see 3 yimi engenye eyasiyesowethu bathuchini and I think no Enoch izange sishaye kanje ngafana usuku askis I'm sorry wena Enoch sekutshelile. Naughty times, but at the same time we were trying to spread the energy and the adrenaline. So summertime thina besiqala esigela ufika vele uyaphuma vele uniform vele seyimanzi mose strateni vele asuyazinikela vele abanye lapha banandaba uthelwa nezincwadi hey man mawuthi ubhala imaths manje 9 months imanzi manje kusasa mayibika manje sengathi ishile mawufika endlini fanele utshela umama ngithele ngamanzi hey man incwadi zakho sezifolile lapha efensini angithi zimanzi but we enjoyed that. There was no water shedding njengamanje mawuthola ibhakede uthola ivati bona 1 September yiyo and we honored that with everything that we have. Everyone knew that it's summertime. We were ready for that. We would not fight you and whatnot. So very interesting time growing up. So Foslo was no exception to these trends that were happening. We would know ukuthi Thembisa kwenzakalani and all that. So
then Valentine, Good Friday.
Valentine ke bengisokolisa Valentine ngoba manje umagogo akafuna unga inyuko. And manje after school lapha yana khona lezi zithengisa lamakhapha. Zithengisa nalamakhadi angaka lawa arasayo. Makwavula wena unomabhebeza omncane wazi nix ngothando mara you can't even buy umabhebeza something and all that zimile lapha ziyathengisa. We celebrated Valentine's, and I think that is where love was strong because on the other end we had ladies eklasini ababhala ama-lyrics. Whatever camping. Can we talk for a minute? By 7, by 9, ababhala ama-lyrics. And those were times that would make us to say, hey son, one way or another, R&B was still at its peak.
And isingamla basifunde kanjani? That's why bantswemi ngesingamla.
Yeah. Bantswemi ngesingamla. Siyasihlepula, siyasibhutshara isingamla, but bona sebabhale phansi mangiyabheka ukuthi man, uThandiwe ubhalwe yini la? Ooh, can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your name. Hey, Thandiwe smart, ne? Thina besiba frustrate ukuthi besizijonsha le incwadi. Yeah.
Ngisitshela.
Ngithi maka frustrated uzobuya kimi then fanele ngimtwist isandla angiqoma Thandiwe. Uyangiqoma Thandiwe, I give you your book.
Sure.
But sibancane ubani usifundisile those things, and it was just puppy love and it was just innocent. Yeah, at its best and everything. So Valentine's beyihlupha nje mayifika lapho igrandma sisesigela saphuma egate esa now makhap lapha now uTeddy Bear nali card and lama card angazi beka ubani beka manufacturer ama card angaka awungitshele mawahamba la stradini lo ina ngathi alarm
manje ngokere in white.
Shay red and white ke amancaza amhlophe ke bekuyi the thing. Shayilo ntuze bona manje bayibiza ama golf t-shirt besibiza direction.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Shayona lapha yano red and white into serious, and Valentine was seriously celebrated. I was on the 14th February. We were not big into really saying who's my Valentine, but now in the corner and whatnot, because it was just the thing that was happening at that time. It's part of what I said earlier, the seasons. Everything was celebrated to its core. Everything was celebrated to its core. I think the TV shows, it was during that time Tina Giti TV beyiphela. Yeah, beyiveza le washington lama kala tu bathi pha akulali TV phelile ufuna ukubuyela. Sorry. So during that time you would know, and two ubasecha even uma ngabe kenze ukuthi besibukela iPirates the Chiefs. Awulazi ichize lisha le Chiefs ukuthi lenjani, uyazi ukuthi liyelo, but manje wena uma ngabe iTV yakini i-black and white ikhipha nje amakhala ay-3. Grey, black and white. Yeah, mawufika ucoca lapho uthi yona lesha iskipa simnyama bakulaha ngoba iskipa sibovu. Yeah, when you black angithi iphume yi-black. And ereli yakini you were not able, sometimes mangana nyuku kini sizobona ngehanger ukuthi no hayi nyuka banayo mayinzi area lengaphandle, so somebody has to go wahlalele phezulu uthi abambe signal. Hey malaphi bambe lapho. Wamuka buyela. Uhleli phezulu wena manje kumele signal. You are missing out of what is happening here. Those were the trends. Until ke kwangena abanye ke mangabe ku grand ke sometimes iTV mayengekho kini fanele ibukele next door.
Sure.
Yeah, bidlala bo boxing ke we had guys, you know, during that time we had famous people that we you know manje ne, there are famous people but mhlambe the impact is more on money, on the luxury and whatnot. Tina, we celebrated the talent for what it is. We knew ukuthi ngesikhathi se boxing, I mean I could tell you 5 if not boxers that I know on top of my head. You knew ukuthi, you know, you Western Cape if not Eastern Cape, hey man ba producer, you know, we had Uvuyani the Beast Pungu, we had Umbulelo Potile, we had Abu Jan Bergman, and then we had the Rose of Soweto. And then we had to baby cheek.
Sure.
Sinomnyana nje singalo. Yeah, manje mawuyibukela, manje no papa mayifana siye next door uhlale lapha and ewindweni uhlale lapho, and manje mabanifake endlini lapho efana wenze sure ukuthi nawe phela bacognizant of time abafuna ukuphaka phela nizobaqedela ukudla. Yeah, manje kufanele ningahlali isikhathi eside ngoba phela lamancina i4 and manje nizeni i3 seni 7 na. Yeah, fanele ukuthi mayiphela nje and the winner. Anonymous what? Demand Rose Thobela Hills baba sekade sam. Ngiyajabula kakhulu. Fanele badle phela labantu. Because when again you did not have the privilege the TV. But because of spirit of unity, spirit of oneness, they would allow us.
That's why uProkid uthi ngeke ngikhole ngibheke TV next door.
Yeah. And it was fascinating, you know, we would go there. But those we did not know, those became ama distinctions to distinguish abobani ngathi banenyuko and whatnot. Ukhula masobona okay, ona beba migrant la. Oh, bemishap la ubona ngethamba la khona liva ngeCressida. Stroke 6.
Sure.
Sange white one. Bamishap.
Yeah. Angikhule kamnandi asingene ku business of the day hey sithatha wasibuyisele emuva
Yeah.
even ama 2000 enhleke bazizwa ngathi bebakhona lesesikhathi lesi siya relate neCASA and sisi understand because it's not a bad place after all.
No.
Okay, asingene ku career yakho, how did you meet comedy
met me.
Okay.
Yeah, it was the
Ungena
marriage.
kanjani comedy?
It was the marriage of the two, but it started from ekhaya. I think one of the misconceptions or one of the shortcomings of the issue of cases is that there's also blessings.
Okay.
If we are able to say as an umuntu une potential, but certain things are not coming the way they ought to, then we would say it's because of generational cases. We also need to be equally cognizant of generational blessings.
Okay.
So a person is able to choose a career based on what the family possesses as integrant. What am I saying? I'm talking in terms of comedy. Between my mother and my father, the combination of the two birthed me. But the one who's more comically, we tata from Umakoko. And then Upapa is able to complement that in as much as he is laid back, but is able to complement that and he's got his moments of comic. But Umakoko, she shoots from the hip. Very jovial, very energetic, upfront, loving as well and all that. So the comic aspect, ipumalapa. And two, Ikasi was able to lay a foundation, or Ikasi was able to lay a platform for us without laying a platform. Ngelente sibiza ukuthi ngamakasi it varies. Abanye bathu malanzana, abanye bathu magwarana, abanye bathu machanana.
Okay.
Yeah, abanye bathu mabahana.
Yeah.
It will depend ukuthi uphuma kuyiphi.
Sure.
Yeah, so thina besigwarana ke. So
yeah, Israel sakwarana.
Israel siyakwarana. Siyabahana strong, asiyangena Israel ayayipheli. Yeah, as a matter of fact, out of that kuphuma ama nickname. You'll be shocked ukuthi ungafika eMathabela Street 2855 eRockville uthufuna kaBotshepo. And in fact eKasi estradini samaBotshepo by 3. Yeah, kukhona umchacho. Kukhona umunye uTshepo before kaBomchacho. And then it's myself. In fact 4 because diagonal to omunye uTshepo kukhona omunye uTshepo. Yeah, and then ke zizothi mchacho. Then zithi mina. So you will have to explain ukuthi ufuna muphi uTshepo. But let's say bebangeka abanye aboTshepo, you'll still struggle. Ufuna kuphi mfuna kaBotshepo. Oh. uTshepo. Yeah, no, uTshepo.com. Makoko wangasho. No, ngibona lapha yana. La kuphuma khona lo yamuntu ngabo uTshepo.
Sure.
Because of that. So it's funny because one of the guys at the school and I met him I think 2 days ago. Konale eKasi. I was very naughty. Yeah, very naughty. So we would partner at Lassie. You know, we were the type of guys. Exoti abogel masiba tate izibi bathi bawuzilahla sithi no ningazilahla. Sizithathe thina sivula isitulo somuntu sibekisi. Selahlela amaphepha siyafaka. Siyavaya siyodlala lengaphandle. Siyazi makuza uteacher everyone is running uvula isitulo uyahlala. Azozwe iclass lonke liyalahla. Hey man uyamangala lapho ukuthi kwenzakala mhleli phezulu kwezini. Yeah. So the comic aspects and colors came in different forms. Thine yethu ufana ubuyele kasi ke sesiceda ukuyodlala and reward yethu sibabonile amaGrootmane bebadlalela imvu or badlalela inkomo. And all that, those were the legends and whatnot. And then again Tina would siyabheja.
Okay.
2 rand or we 34 rand. It drop 4. Ngamanye amagama nge2 siya change half time. And then zithi 4 starter lenyuko siyoba 3 kopop. Sifaka ebhodleleni 1 liter. after 1 liter sithenga isinkwa esimhlophe siloke siyasihlepula masahleli kuleyo round table hayi mabahana.com was birthed there because siyakwarana was ukhomba lo you always are ahead because there's always things that you say you think on your feet and what not and manje namanye amachita wakwamanye amakasi but no man khona uzibanibani hey man khona leta yalanzana yakwarana yo and ama nickname wami were a build up. I was not uDitsebe at first. At some point bengukirina. Because I used to do a joke here this Ndebele guy. Ukuthi no man wena ngithi umndebele njengoba umndebele ufikile la usuka le kwaNdebele uzothola umsebenzi ngapha wathenga indlu la eGasi wahamba thina besihlala idisk la shaya iwindow yakho wabuya wena mawubuya ke babuza ukuthi hey bafana ngubani ukuthuba ifestera lami ari kirina papa wathi khamba nokubiza ukirina lo it's stuck without kirina part of amakwarana yiwo la so at some point kirina there's still guys I think somebody uyangibona nini I think it was last month or the other month that kirina oh by the way kirina. So nicknames have always been building up.
Sure.
You would admire a soccer star with team. Pirates had a guy but to Alfred Kwabeni, Shakes Kwabeni.
Okay.
Yeah, maba commentator but Kwabeni. Na Kwabeni Pirates besa ko ichibuko. Yeah, nala mashot la wangaka la. Yeah. So I used to like that guy. And so mostly bese now do commentary. Eventually it stuck. So everyone because no mina ngubani mina ngupotsotso mina ngubahurumetsha amandla sithola ngoba manje yabona ngosiyabona yeah then mina ngoba uGwabeni so it moved from Lona at some point uGwabeni until such time yavela lento ye stage udama ngibele stage and do something you know but again comedy met me because it was during that time because eGasi kunalento you experiment but abanye bahamba bayithathe to extreme and it makes something out of them abanye into it's just the way of life sesikhulile omunye ulena usebenza efemini usebenza kuphi however way they would choose to do that so with me useskela things are happening you are excited about iskela you are a bright student you want to pursue your career in the interim yonke lento le you take the very same thing and then there's a platform that is created for you. You are just flamboyant. You are just energetic behind the mic again. Hey man, but bafuna MC. Hey man, at some point we will say, God bless you. God bless you. Hallelujah. 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 This young man is bright and you start then noticing certain things as enzakala ekerke. How was that guy? Obeka khona ukubaha umfundisi. Mfundisi isicathulo sakho. Hey, hayi ziyabuya namhlanje ngalesicathulo bangcwele shayelani lesicathulo izandla. That time it's not even commercialized, it's not even monetized. I'm just doing it because gune sense ethi even the church folks are people. Babuya eGasi.
Okay.
eGasi this was our way umakwarana ukulanzana became a therapy as eGasi and we were not aware. Because of the struggles at some point next door abana sinkwa akunani but we're still happy we're still able to relate we're still able to go play soccer come back we won the game 4-0 yeah asasebasuthini sisishayile esangale engubo sisishayile would still be that is why sikwazi ukuhlala and narrate certain stories and then there's those guys abazokhetha ama strays ke shawe esteem akekho right sizomlaha enkhona lethi mayihleke kakhulu ke ikwenza ukuthi noma ijoke iphelile hayi siyaqhubeka baba nithile ebusuku uyafila ukuthi ano namhlanje le mangathola isibhamu ipressa uncane ngaleso sikhathi yeah it was a bitter sweet moment because kwabanye create bitterness ngoba khona amakwali because lo munye urealize ukuthi akakhona ukulanzana waspanisa the feasts ezokulanzana kwakhe to silalela ngizomkece yabona ucala kuba neqhwaga ucala kuba neghost sekhona amakaso ngakhona ukuvaya kuwo because uyasaba mama kuma kuthuma story uthatha 30 minutes ukuyache the next street because fanura uyengara because wena ulanze usibanibane bonke balaga imphathanga kahle yabona indaba yama narcissist dali khona yeah manje akayithathi kahle and this was just everyone sonke silahiwe why mama ifika kuyiba too personal why when ithathele enhlizweni
sometimes uyiqalile lile
yeah uyiqalile akasakhona ukuyimaintain amaya akasakhona ukuyisustain amaya sidala la ngithi uyiqalile awukhona ukuyimela amaya thina sogijima ngayo sikulanza ngebhathu sikulanza ngejoki yakhe edabukile sikulanza ngeteki lakhe lime kanjani hey ugqoka ihanumba wena siyalaha indlalini so hey kusuka amagwaring khona lapho so it's always those things and all that until such time I figure lana ke with now somebody said no man kunento enje man won't you do it at some point I had a phobia yokuthi ngicharge ngicharge kanjani but mina nje ngithi I was excited jump in give me the mic let's do this thing you know so comedy met me I met comedy it was a marriage of the two.
Yes. Who was your role model?
It started at home Mark Reza how abazali would do marriage for me and how Makoko would fuse in into yokulaha ukuthi no it's okay and then again ekasi obviously besilanzana it's myself and other guys and all that and then again eventually ke kuba khona isikhathi se comedy predominantly there were guys besibukela iPure Munati show
Pure Munati with
David Gao
Kagiso
Lidiga abo Side Pocket Ronnie Mudimo and all that we loved that show because how they were able to pen down how they were able to see ukuthi they brought this together and we would find the jokes and then you had a Ugandan comic David Kubuka you had I think Joey Rastin bekavelile lapho and then you had Mark Banks I think Mark Banks and everything you started being aware with khona some other comics and everything you had some other guys who were also extras lapho so you would want to mimic them and everything so during that time it was just an array of guys owazi would know une comedy so you had there's some click in yellow and some of them I will just give you as we
even what Desmond do
Pure Munati Desmond Dube ayenza maskits ayenza maskits lapho because there's a guy who shot uNtombela ubuye force lo hamba no Lontuza no Leon Schuster so ubuye force lo they were lacha ngakhona yasekasi and everything so comedy has always been around you know it was just an issue of checking that one and checking that one and checking that one until you find your own no bongo ke bongo ke you say something akalahi ke galahi khona
barophila bomakatsa
that time udlipelepele
into za
athikalela
but labantu abakhawunta bonke abashaya gospel and I mean the first gospel comedian ingamcava wo so why gospel
I think for me I've always believed and I know that I'm very profound I'm very peculiar even at some point the choices of a career that I wanted to do I always wanted to go where no one has ever been and set a trail for many to follow you don't want to do what many are doing and then number two I saw what I call an NICHE it's a niche it's a peculiar or it's a kind of a people that are specifically targeted for a specific outcome that is why must
be target market
a niche with normal there's a space here and all that and to start with Msizana we need to understand whether you are a Christian or not whether you are tall or dark whether you are African or not all of us we need to love that's the first point that's the first point when we are down we need something to keep us okay and all that so why is it that when we come to the Christendom or the Christian circle then kuba ngathi siyaba exclude are they not humans are they not going through things nabo and whatnot so this is a space whereby predominantly you are doing a lot of things in church church has been done in a certain way and uyababona abafundisi nabo bayahleka benzani but no one is formalizing this thing and during the time thina masithi siyayiqala comedy was just starting to pick up but you know how it came about ukuthi uditsebe.com was birth it was an issue ukuthi already all the time uma kufane upapa anginikeze inyoko athi ngiyenza inywele mina ngenza cheese scope shayitshitsha. It was during that time yaka arcade. Ataya arcade. Manje ebuhlungu ekasi yabona for everything egood nje khona into engathi lo ngayo. Sekukhona umuntu efana afika yenze kanje manje akushaye. Damat. Yeah, man. So that is why other guys noma ngabe uthola ukuthi no. Uthiza yamfanele lona mara manje ucabanga lento ukuthi kunjani ntwana. Zohozala. Cabanga ukuthi bathi ngiyofika kanjani le shop ngiloko engihanjwa. Damat. And abanye manje amakhanda kwethu awafani yabona fanele bakubahe mande ududwa nekhanda lakho ayikhanda lakho ngathi zene bo yo yabona mina lapha ekhaya sitofu sabalahle ngizobatshela silahle lezembe silanda wena boy uyasho ukuthi lenyele zimila nini no more you know so there's a niche for me. So Umagogo all the time when I'm supposed to go do a haircut, Umagogo uyangilwisa and say, hey man, mntana uyathanda man, ukwenza le chiscope, wala uvela izindlebe, avelile izindlebe and all that. She was not aware that she was ministering to me. Today, Ekasi, part of our nicknames that we're given or are given, you are given by virtue of your body structure. Mamhlophe kakhulu sithi uRoy or uFish because of the famous legend Pirates of Fish or uVetis.
Sure.
Yabona? Yeah, mawunekhanda likhulu awumjomani.
Wonke uthi
manje thina ke yonke into ke yonke structure thina manje sizokugenelela ke ukuthi hayi wena unenhloko enkulu ngelinye ilanga wangena etaxini wahlala emva kwa driver nabhadala lonke udriver wathi awusizana driver wathi ngibhadele wathi wena yakubuthi test thina we left no prisoners ababa yonke into inyawo lakho siyakungena amehlo umgelela yeah the way wena umnyama ngakhona maba ngabe ngishite limhlophe lapha mawumile bathi yo lidabukile kunembobo lapha uwe thina we left no prisoners anything sizokungenela. So my mother would do the same. She was not an exception to the equation. She would do the same. She would then say, hey man, ungaluwenza so wangenza amakhati njengabanye. Ngiyayithanda mina chiscope. No infanele. And mayenzeka, then my ears would come up. Little did my mother know that she's ministering to me. The wisdom that God gave me, it's by God's grace. I cannot take any accolades and all that. Ukuthi ngithathe lento ngayi-embrace mina. Ngathi no man. Ekasi, if mina ngithanda ukubaha abantu, the only defense mechanism ukuthi ngizibahe mina. Izowi defense yabo.
Sure.
Yeah, angeke ungibahe ngalendlela mina engazibaha ngakhona. Ungashaya 1 or 2 lalela mina ngakunikeza 100 ngami. And this would have then be an opening officer yami. And every time ngivula set I would talk about me because I then had to bring a meaning to it. Ukuthi one of the things you've got to do is ngibatshela abantu ukuthi mina ngisilenda sama catalog. Ngispy to Shibo. I'm a type of a guy mangithi ngene Scala City next. Mara khona abanye benu la mangibele Scala City one person at a time. Mangithi ngiyababona mangithi you know ngithi kuwe appreciate yourself the way you are. So I've then had to say le body structure le ekasi abayimokhayo abayikhombayo abayibahayo ekwenza ukuthi manje fanele uze ufise ukuthi ube ubani and everything. I'm going to embrace it. So you already naleli yangenelela mina ngadama kokho manje ngulona ngathi awuditsebe ithe mayithi ditsebe yathi .com ithi .comedy.comedian ditsebe.com.
Okay.
And my mother is not aware and ngiyayisho lento le ditsebe.com and what not and everything. No, it grew. Mayiqeda ngayithatha ngayifaka ngada abazalwane mina I'm credited in the way the Bible says let us make men in our own image. uJesu uthe makafika kweWatam sephan akusanani kusesele ezulwini bona nazi indlebe ngithi nawo ama after effects. Abathi basamamele lapho ngithi iBhayibheli ito nezindlebe makezo. Lokho umoya kushoye emabandleni. Let him who has ears hear what the Spirit is saying to the churches. So in the interim, God is giving me meaning to the stay. Oh wow. As a matter of fact, I was not aware that me having to embrace my body structure how I am was me helping somebody. There was a young man who angena ku Facebook page yami ditsebe.com In fact, umama ke athi, hey, Ditsebe, how you are doing things, it's amazing, it's healing to us. My son is suffering from low self-esteem. Unezindlebe. He can't see the light of day ukuthi ahamba esikolweni. It's a struggle makumele avuke ekuseni. Makavukile, it's a struggle makumele ageze. It's a struggle makumele agqoke. Fanele simthathe simisa esikolweni. If mina ngayanga emsebenzini, I've got to be nearby ngoba anytime ngingafonela ukuthi umntana uyakhala because they are mocking him. How do you then help? No, mama, here are my numbers, please. I started calling the young man. Oh, the young man is just on another level. It was after those months, and then I checked the young man and everything. No, look at me. I had some moment and spent time with that young man. Sahlala just a bit and all that, but obviously we lose contacts, my phone and everything, and you still had those, and you call, and manja wasasebenza my number, or anything happened when it comes to our phone. But one was able to be a beacon of hope for that young man.
Okay.
Yeah, so it is in the interim of that. Bengeko aware ukuthi umrena ungaya le content, umrena ungaya opportunity to be encouraged to say, I'm going to pull from the very same kasi that people are looking down on. Ukuthi pati kasi yilo leni that has birthed us, whether good or bad. We can't run away. There's good things about the kasi, there's bad things about the kasi. There's good things about the babs, there's bad things about the babs. There's good things about where you wish to go. It's just the balance. You choose your struggle. And by God's grace, those who are around you are able to help you, and you embrace, and they say, carve your path and everything. So the niche came about that. So one time I'm in a church. During worship, I got a vision. Hey, Caesar. Sila. Hey, man. I see myself wearing black and white. It's a suit. The shirt is white. The tie is black. The shoes are black. The suit is black. The suit is shiny, it's silky. 2, abantu bahleli at the yabona lama church and the stage is phezulu and people are at the bottom. Silapho. I am on stage. Mphethe mic. People mangibabona mina, mabangibona bangibheka so. When I look at them at a downslope, so because of the dynamics of the church, the stage and the floor. Some of them are rolling on the floor. Guess what? They are laughing. It's a vision. 2, in the vision, in a date. Guess when the date is? 24 December, which is my birthday. 3, in the vision, I have a theme. 4 themes. Christmas at laughs, Christmas for laughs, Christmas laughter, Christmas laughs. 4 of them. This is a vision. The service is on. It's during the time of worship. My hands are lifted. This is what I saw. It's in the evening. The church where I was at, it's the same church. Yo, I couldn't believe this. I could not concentrate because I'm captured by this vision. Went out quickly. I had a friend, Utsepo. Utsepo was part of the worship team. We are bigger leader. So we are puma ujulugile ngoba Utsepo lapha stage when he praise, when he worship, umajayiva namanje ujulugile. Sihlangana ngaphansi nemdonsi ngithi choose 9 up. This is what I got, man. I think I saw a vision. So. uNkulunkulu abemuhle, I was able to interpret what God was saying. Immediately thereafter, emoyeni wami, he plants a man by the name of NZB Major. His pastor, may his soul continue to rest in creative peace, a man that loves the Lord, last year besimbe. Umrena ubeka yena, makabeka mi yena, I call the guy. Angna airtime. Siza ngicela phone. I called the guy, I dialed the numbers. Yaring. Ngiphinde via kwesi2. Mangiphinda, ukuphinda kwami kube indaba zokuthi manje ngishiya voicemail. They say, I need to see you. There's a matter here. Please do let me know. It's a Sunday. Ngicela ukuthi ngikubone. I'm not going to be long, but there's something I need to ukuthi convey kuwe. He did not reply. Early in the morning at about 6, Monday, because when I gave him a call, it was a Sunday. He replies and says, no, I'm available, figure out 8 or 8:30 call. I go there. Just when I knock, he's excited. He says, hey, welcome. Hey, listen to what he said. Ati ingabe uzenga le nto engicabanga ukuthi uzenga. And I said to him, what is that? No, convey your story, I will tell you. This is what I saw and everything. he just summed up everything. What no, you're going to do a show and whatnot. Have you ever done this before? I've never done this before, but I believe that I can do, because already besengazi ukuthi kune SET set, but I've never done a set in my life. I would not know how to prepare a set. But it was during the time whereby South Africa hosted the Cricket World Cup.
Okay.
Yeah, and the late Bohansi Cronje.
What year was it?
I think it was 99.
Okay.
So there I am, and I'm like, hey, Lord, what are you up to? Hey, Lord, sure. No, it was 2009. Yeah, 2009.
Okay.
Yeah, not 1999. No, I'm 2000 difference. Yeah, 2009. Yeah. So here's a World Cup. But when I prepare, I've got 4 things in my sketch. I'm going to talk about Ukirina, the journey until Ditsebe.com. I'm going to talk about the politics, the year that was. I'm going to talk about sports, and I'm going to talk about church. Whilst we're still talking, NZB, he then says to me, the Lord had dropped it in my heart. I knew that you were coming to see me. And he said to me, don't worry. He was a creative director of some show. He said to me, don't worry, focus on what you need to do on the day. So what are we going to call the name of the show? There is 4. I think for me, Christmas for Laughs, 4. It is years later that I didn't realize that 4 is a prophetic number of change. So God was changing the direction of my life. Was changing the pedigree, because now I'm entering into a new season.
Sure.
Then I started a one-man show called Christmas for Laughs. And yenzeka on the 24th of December, 2009.
Go.
2011, the first Loras.
Okay.
I started doing my one-man show. He said to me, focus on what you need to do on stage. Leave the rest to me. During the week, he comes, Petama flyers. Mtatis tomb. Fagi jacket, mini jacket black. You just list your ID or something. Listen, he's shy. So what's your ID? And then Fagi Kapiga, Father Christmas. And then the flyers are there. I was humbled by my parents. They took the flyers. They were distributing flyers. Came back, the flyers defeated. One more flyers. I was told to say focus on stage. Come at the day. Chaka block. I did a set of about nearly 2 hours. The guys by camera, but hey baba, apelila makase. Hey baba, can't. Mina mabathi ngithe bazalwana abanye beni intamo zenu kanti no bathikithika. And on the stage, anything that happens, it becomes a line and whatnot. That's how then the birthing of A Christmas for Laughs came about. My one-man stand-up show.
How was it turn out?
It was chaka-blocked. And to my surprise, I made a covenant with God to say, Lord, no ngabe ngenza abantu abayi-2. The thinking would have been, I am going to perform as though it's 2 million people.
Sure.
Number 2, Lord, I just want to deliver. I believe this is something you have given me. Allow me, Lord. God being God. I phumile lapha satellite dish ngiyakutshela wena zibuye. Yiming a mic, everyone was there. The following day I had to go and perform Eval. As a pastor, they said, no man, come through. We are having a Christmas service. Come do your thing and everything. Ngayibona impilo yami ishintsha. All of a sudden sekhona IG a gig. Hayi wena.
Yeah.
Sekune booking.
Yeah.
No man.
Sekune booking fee.
Sekune booking fee. Senyalanda sekune manager.
Yeah.
Ngita man Nkosi kaNtweni unjani. Yeah. Things started to take a shift. Yeah, doing comedy and church. Amalgamating every happenings. I would speak about the ushers, I would speak about the worship team, I would speak about the pastors, I would speak about during the worship and everything. So this is me saying to the church, let us look at what we do and laugh. Because already being a Christian, it is war. Hence the Bible, now you can imagine every day when you say pin, yeah man, it's cut so clear with Tolani. So I think the Lord then said, go to my people, tell them it's important to laugh. Laughter is therapy on its own. And then mangifika ke umreno loku uyayigcwalisa futhi this thing. I started finding scriptures. Yeah, I'm a word man. I'm a word man, you know. I'm a man of the word. So there's the scripture in the Bible that says God is seated on the throne, looking down and laughing at our enemies. Number 2, in Bible there were 3 men that came to Abraham. Sarah was just a kishi. And then they spoke to him and said, you're going to bore a son. Your wife is going to bore a son. Number 3, Bible magabhala uSolomon uthi laughter brings healing to the bones. And those became my scriptures. Then I said, Mren, masengaza ma scripture nje. I was good to know this thing.
Sure.
I started going church to church doing this whole thing. So I phased out from Ukirina to Abu Kwabeni until Ditsabe.com. Now it's no longer an issue of comedy only. It's healing, it's inspiration, it's educational, it's pulling somebody and all that. I went to one church one time and I said to them, Bazalon, before I do anything and I do all the formalities, I want us just to go to Revelation chapter 25. Bazalon. Revelation 22. You know, you are there. You are then saying, guys, this is all that is happening. This is all that is happening. So the Lord gave me the niche. But because I am versatile, I have church cred, I have street cred. I'm a man of Hebrew and Greek. I'm ambidextrous.
Sure.
I use the left and the right. Put me in a club, I'll still do my thing.
Sure. I've seen you doing corporate gigs.
Do corporate gigs. You understand that thing? Because you are then saying, I see a person who's not okay, a person who's not well, and they need to laugh. So one has been doing corporate, one would go to the clubs, one would go here and here and here, because at the end of the day you see that these are God's people, they need to be ministered to.
Sure.
And it has been journey until now.
Ama-TV gig wona abuyaphi angena kanjani because of ngibonile gospel time.
Angena ngokuthi manje ngaso sikhathi sengine-manager.
Okay.
Yes. So umuntu osipana naye TV, the lady now NZB, so he's got connections there and whatnot. I think we were
trying. So you're rubbing shoulders with Dr. Rebecca.
Bona izinto ezinjalo. Hallelujah. Yes. So lo hallelujah mina ngimazi from a makeup room.
Sure.
Ngiza naye until the set.
Yeah.
So but these are doors that God is opening because now South Africa is starting to hey man, there's a young man. Hey, there's Ditsabe.com. Where are you coming from? It has been a long time coming.
Okay.
Servitude from Elonduza, Ekerk, at the same time having to leave Ekasi and all that. Even today, Amachite Ekasi, yeah, Mr. Tuale, Mr. Kole, yeah, Mr. Msiri, Mr. Mlefe. We do that. It has opened Amachita up. Let them express themselves with reverence, with respect, and you are saying as an Amachita. Amachita yang fatela Amachita. So you have both the church cred and the street cred.
Sure.
The street knows you, you know the street.
Sure.
The church knows you, you know the church.
Sure.
And as a result, because now uNkulunkulu uletha abantu around you. At some point I had a team. I had a PA. Yeah, you know, you start putting those structure in place. You've got a social media a manager. You've got a manager as Kuluma isn't or no, let's make sure with this and this and this icon and everything. You've got a graphics design. One has always been, because I'm big on admin, one has always had this thing of structure, doing things meticulously, doing things in a certain way and all that. So uNkulunkulu isn't as you grow, he gives you the shape because it starts with the desire. The desire gives birth to a passion then you put those things. Now when you put up a team, you meet up a manager works in the industry. Behind the camera, ushuta and now we start speaking to Tama. Boom! At some point, I went to the Crown Gospel Awards. Hey man, hosted and anchored the Crown Gospel Awards for 5 years. Fresh. And now they start to say, man, hey man, what's happening here? Something is happening. Started. Those became the season of seasons, the season on high. Amen, doors after doors. You are rubbing shoulder with this. Ofunegalana, telephonic interviews. You go here, come and do your show here. You do this and do. It has been that. I remember one time, my mom bona etif because Summer Crowns used to play twice. Before they were televised, we would go there, and then we were televised around the 24th or the 25th of December. Now we are born. She was inundated with calls. I remember her awela phansi alala phansi ekhala kuNkulunkulu ukuthi Lord, what is happening ngomntwana wami, because they never thought. Tears of joy. Hey man, makasese ngapha, hey kunenye incoming call and what not, and you're saying, hey son, look at what God has done. So you find yourself man sekunama TV gig. Hey uwelo wenza ama adverts. No man. Hey man, so yabiza ngapha VO, voice over. Oh man, this thing is growing now.
This counted on.
Yeah.
Market wayenzile wakhumbulayo, and as a voice over artist or just on cam, and also your role with Gospel Time with Bowenza.
Gospel Time, to start with, I was a field presenter. Bekhona segment ebabizwa ukuthi in your area.
Sure.
Yeah, this is where you would visit an artist, whether they were happening in that season. I remember visiting Usoli Mahlangu, went to his place because we wanted to bring the human aspect of things. Ukuthi Usoli ningambone ehlabelela lapha yana, he's a father at home. Unendawo la hlala khona, ulethelwa ngetrain, what not. Went and shot that. The late Sifiso Ncwane, kulungile baba. Wathi ungakhali. Engishale line yakhe. Wathi ungakhali, suli inyembezi, usathana uzojabula. Yeah, so we went to his school. He was giving them 50,000 as a form of giving back.
Okay.
I went and shot that. I went and shot them. These are old cats in the game. Babo no squealy. He's an albino guy. I was the only guy who began Mlungu. Spitting up, you know. It's because of my comic nature that one is able to break doors. But no, I don't see an albino. I see somebody sure. How are you, Mulungu? And he was happy. He would embrace me because you are then saying, hey, you're out here and everything. So Babo no squealy, one shot that and everything. So those are some of the gigs that I do. And then also in studio, one was there to report and everything until did Gospel Gold as well. But Gospel Gold, it was an issue with one was profiled many a times. At some point, given some snippets there. I did some few adverts, but these are old adverts, man. I did one in Nando's.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey man, you seskulile manje so yenza manje.
Sure.
Yeah.
Ileo season.
Ileo season there. So one had a fair share of TV. Hence I'm saying I'm not radiogenic only.
Yeah,
also TV genic. So so it has been a great journey, and we're seeing God putting things differently this time around, because I think for me, one of the things that would happen is that doing anything without purpose, it's just a hobby. But doing everything with purpose, its impact. You start realizing with Lord, I went to that gig and I come back, I feel this way. Ooh. There's no feeling that can replace how I feel.
All right. Siyabona ukuthi TV sikhule sikubukela thina njengo count lamashow lawo, because amashow wadlala almost every Sunday especially.
Yeah, sure.
So iSunday vele it's a family day.
Yeah.
So in the evening wonke umuntu uhleli endlini ubukela wena. Then uyanyamalala TV.
Yeah.
What happened?
Seasons happened. A time of preparation happened. A time of isolation happened.
Okay. I'm
glad you asked that question, because just now, as I was saying, anything that happens without purpose, it's just a hobby.
Sure.
When purpose happens, purpose has got seasons and times. Kukhona isikhathi la nizosibona khona, and I'm speaking on behalf of other creatives ukuthi ekasi, then they would say because abakuboni bese bathuwile. But they don't understand the dynamics and the business of the industry.
Sure.
Yeah. Sometimes you take a producer level where you are saying kasuthu barumushayisi uveza abanye, and ema uveza abanye fana unyamalala ukwazi ukuvela nonke, because you are aware ukuthi lo season fana khuphuke and all that.
Season player like graduate le coach.
That's it. At some point. And then bese bathi, hey man, this player, he was a special player during his era, but law man, you know. Also it is an issue ukuthi personally, because you can't separate the gift and the man. You've got to understand that the gift does not have character. It gift ihamba. That is why Bible it opens doors. But the Bible alikhuluma nix gift after lapho. Ivula umnyango, and then how you behave in the room, it's not the responsibility of the gift. Ikuthathile yabeka emnyango ngiyavula. So uhleli namakhosi, uhleli nabubani, uhleli na who's who, uhleli na influential people. Igift ayisekho la. Fana ucamthi. fanele ukwazi ukusiphatha fanele ungathatha ukudla no gift is not there to teach you ukuthi no asidle kanje gift is not there ukuthi no you don't interject the gift doesn't teach you ukuthi this is the etiquette this is how you drive your point across gift ayisekho it only took you and it opened doors so kunalento what we call the gift and the man
Okay.
so most of the people they run with the gift they forget the man
Okay.
if kulimala the man the gift might not do well and even if it does iyolimaza the man so you've got to work on the man so that if the gift does not get opportunities the man is still standing the man when is not worked on the man becomes the manager of the gift because mase ufikile lapha igift so wenzani kuthola ukuthi abanye abantu bathi uright usiya makase stage off stage ngeke enjoy urude akababona abantu uarrogant ubabuza ukuthi napho bani ukutshela ukuthi nigcoka into ezcheap you don't have character so that is the man so at some point when the happenings of life because of the decisions of the man it affected the gift
Okay.
so when it affects the gift moved from the spotlight because the man is affected so when the man is affected then uNkulunkulu will have to work on the man work with God the man is hurt the man is sad the man is just thinking a lot of things the man tries to interpret what the season is all about and what not everything that the man becomes the gift alone but at some point in the interim of it all Ditsebe.com will still do gigs. It's just that maybe ngeke mehlweni wabantu, maybe akacapturanga uma sifika lapho and everything, but he's from work. Usebenzile. At some point, because ezinye izinto about the man, they are not, hey man, exciting that much. You just want to do what you do and go back home. Because there's certain things of feel ukuthi kuso because Gwalimalega the man, the gift still functions. No. Give Ditsebe.com a mic, he still does his thing, but the man needs to be worked on. But uNkulunkulu emuhle wathola ukuthi the man is still sustained. And the gift, there are people, I mean now one would get gigs from somebody who says, no, I saw you 10 years back, my friend was getting married. And ebengihamba nefiance yami. And I said, masithrowa lo muntu bele simthola. And manje siyathrowa mfethu. 10 years later, we're thinking about you. uNkulunkulu unendlela yokuthi he does that. Yeah, he just plants me in people's heads and in their memory to say, man, kunomuntu or so. So that is what has happened. That the matters that has to do with the man took over. By God's grace, we're still standing.
Sure.
But Ditsebe.com is still Ditsebe-fying, Ditsebe-ring.
Yeah. Okay, so sibhuka kanjani?
You can find me on Facebook, ditsebe.com. That's my Facebook page. I'll keep it. Just click like. I am on X. I think it's Ditsebe-C. And I'm also on Instagram, Ditsebzin and all that. Obviously, I'll give out my number, but yay, problem. You know? Or say I'll keep on my number.
Ask me inbox on Facebook.
Yeah, I go Facebook and all that. So,
Yeah.
But no, go Quantum. Follow the podcast. Amazing work that is done here. And all that. But obviously, a couple of gigs that are coming. Posters will be out and everything will be on the socials. We are pushing a lot of things. But now we are in the information age. We are in the 4IR. We are in the AI. Yay, man.
Khona abantu bana 10 years bangaboni.
Yeah.
Understand. Sicela sibagayithiste nje ukuthi masifuna ukubhuka sizozwana. Sibagayithiste.
Yes, my reason.
Bese lethe thina sihlale thina siphila nawe siyakuzwa every now and then.
Hey.
Abantu bafuna ukubhuka khona umunye ubuye le episode. Uthi la usikhuluma kamnandi, uthi inswembi, uthi yalahisa, but ngiyafisa ukumuzo se stage. Asimgayithiste.
Hey inzima lento le yazi futhi ifana nokuthi ubiza iphoyisa bese uthi asifuna ubone ukuthi uyiphoyisa awudubule twa bese no ihatha sho ayibona ngale khaza no, this thing is very difficult. It's very difficult.
You're really giving us something.
It's difficult. Come on. You meet a singer and say, someone says, yo, usakula. Angishaye nge-1 naye emagunyeni lapho hanga bongwe. No, man. No. It's difficult. But we still do what we do by God's grace. We still read the word. Lababa Shadayo, we just want to say, Ibability, what God has put together, let no man put asunder. Ngisho no asanda iqobo lwakhe. Don't put asunder. So we still continue to do what we do. MCing, we still push what we push. A lot of things that we see when it comes to MC, I always love when we do our 21st. Mababizo malume. Tell malume to well, uzokhulumela umshana wakhe. Izinto ezizwa malume bethu. I think this part is what I'm just going to talk about. Abo malume man, namayiki problem. Figured. Niyangizwa. Ngiyazwakala. Bo malume siyanthanda. Sizolahlela bani siyanthanda bo uncle bethu. So these are events and happenings that are happening as we MC. So then people book me. I'm available as an MC for 21st, 31st, 41st, 51st, 61st, 71st, 81st, 91st, 101. La ugogo kangasezwa nix ahamba ngenduku athi abobani laba. Sithi yithi laba ngicula ugogo athi abantu abangaka. I'll be there to MC. I'm available. Also, as a Christian comedian, book me in your church. If you have a problem, fundisi abazalona ba keep it tight. bizuditsebe.com. Uzoba ditsebe fire, babe ditsebe rise. Bazod mabahleke. Wena.com.